Hello friends, so if you have not completed your DRC for TCS NQT, then watch this video till the end. In this video, I have described a step-by-step process to complete the DRC successfully. So the first point is whether you have completed your IRC or not does not matter. You have to complete your DRC because DRC contains all the checks of IRC. So complete your DRC and get ready for final exam. Now, those of you who did not get the mail for DRC, then what you can do, you can wait, you will get the mail, or you can drop a mail. I have already given you the email ID. It is ion.servicedesk@tcs.com. You can send them a mail that you did not get your DRC mail, and they will send the mail for DRC. Now, all of you, those who have got your mail, please click on that mail and open the mail. So at first, when you will open your mail, you will see something like this. On the mail, you will be given the date for DRC. As you can see, date is 21st October 2020 and registration time is 7:30 a.m. Your DRC time window is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So everybody will be having different time. So check your mail. So in that mail, you will be given your time and you have to take your DRC on the same time that given in your mail. As you can see, in this case, it is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you should give your DRC test in this allotted time only. Now in the same mail, you will be given a link and below the link you will be given user ID and password, so you can check your mail. And now before starting, you can see you have to download your launcher also before starting the DRC. So in the same mail, you will see the links. As you can see, here are the five links. So you can see your mail below, in the lower side of the mail, you will see something like this. There are 5 mails, and these links are for launcher download. So it is generally recommended to download the launcher beforehand. And my recommendation is, if you are using Windows, then click on the second link. If you will click on the second link, a launcher will be downloaded and that launcher will be used afterward. So you have to click on the second link. First, all the links are for launcher only, but the first link is for Windows, but it is in zip format that you have to extract. But many students are facing problem in extraction. So what you have to do, it's better to click on the second link if you are using Windows, or if you are using Ubuntu, then you can either go for third, fourth or fifth link, and version are different. But for Windows people, just click on the second link, it will be helpful. Now if you will click on the second link, a launcher will be downloaded and that launcher will be required afterward. Now in the same mail, I've already told you, you will be given a link. Now click on that link and give the username and the password. It's already on your mail only. Now after providing the email ID and the password, this type of window will appear. As you can see, in this case, it is saying that ongoing event, you do not have any event scheduled now, because if you will try to log in before the time, as you can see, your registration time is 7:30 a.m. So if you will try to log in before the time, you will get this type of windows, because you do not have any event scheduled now. So wait for the time, and on the same time, that the time that is given, you have to start. So when you will start on the given time only, then this type of window will appear. As you can see, this is ongoing event, TCS National Qualifier Test DRC 21st October, and the time is 7:30 am. So on the exact time you have to start, and then this type of window will appear. You have to click on register. After clicking on the register, you will see something like this. So what is this? It is for self registration. At first, what you have to do, you have to select camera. As you can see, this is a drop down menu. You have to click on this and select camera, and afterward you have to click picture of yourself 5 times. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you have to click your picture 5 times, and the picture should be clear, or else you will get error. So after clicking the picture, this type of window will appear. It is for your ID card. So for IRC there were different options, but for DRC you just have to submit a single ID card, and you can submit any ID card, either it is college ID card or driving license or passport or PAN card or voter ID card. You can select any ID, whatever you have. And there are two options: either you can live capture the photo or you can upload the file, but the file should be in allowed file type are PDF, JPG, etc. So you have to upload the either you can upload the file or you can click the picture of your document of your ID card. So after clicking the picture you will see something like this. So after, but before this what you have to do, so these are the steps for registration. So after clicking the college ID card, means any ID card that you are using, this registration process is over, and afterward you will get a key, and that key is important. Why it is important? Because the same key will be used for the launcher that you have downloaded in the very beginning. In this step, when I told you to download the launcher, on the same launcher you have to give that key, which will be generated after registration. And after providing the key, as you can see here is the option enter key. You have to give the key and Google Chrome, select the browser and then select the camera. So after selecting all three options, there is a checkbox: please make sure to disable antivirus, all running application will be closed, do you really want to continue? So you have to click on this checkbox and make sure that you disable all the antivirus. And after clicking on this checkbox, this launch button will be visible. So you have to click on the launch button and your test will be started. But make sure you start your test in the given time, and the time is 8 to 11, and this time is was for registration only. So after registration you will get the key, and that key will be used during the start time. So after registration what you have to do, you have to click on the launcher that you have downloaded, go to download section and click on the launcher and on the launcher you will have to give the key that you got after the registration. So that key will be used, and after this your test will start. So, and that test will be for 3 hours if you have taken subjective NQT, and you have to sit for 3 hours, and make sure you get familiar with everything so that there will be no problem in your final exam. But one problem that many of you are facing, many of the students are facing, is this problem: launching assessment. You will get this type of problem, someone might get. So the solution for this problem is this. So at first you for this problem what you have to do, you have to at first you have to check whether you have given the location permission or not. So if you have given location permission, then also it's not working. So what you have to do, you have to close the tab and start again. You have to do the process again, and believe me, this will work, because this worked for many of the students. So you have to close the tab and start again. Again you have to generate the key, because one key is valid for a single time. So again generate the key and again launch, and then provide the key here and again launch. So this time your test will start. So once the test start, so get familiar with the environment so that you will have no problem in your final exam. And if you have taken subjective NQT, so make sure that you write the code, you run the code and check whether everything is working properly or not. So these were the steps, and after completing the test you will get something like this: dear participant, you have now completed the assessment. Now you have to click on right shift plus escape and it will be all over. So these were the steps, and apart from this, if you are having any problem, then you can write in the comment section, and I will try to help you as soon as possible. So if you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.